Scorpion stings. What they do is they paralyze their prey and defend themselves by injecting venom from a stinger they present on the tip of the tail. Painful but relatively harmless scorpion stings need to be distinguished from the potentially lethal envenomation that are produced by 30 of the 1000 known species that causes 5,000 deaths worldwide each year. Most of the victims are children because they are more prone. The two important species we need to know as an Indian is, number one is Indian red scorpion, number two is black scorpion. Now let's talk about the nature of venom. Nature-wise, the venom is similar to the cobra venom, but the severity is less because the quantity they inject is less. This venom has both neurotoxic as well as hemotoxic nature. Now, what it does is it will stimulate the sodium channel and inhibit the potassium channel and produce autonomic storm. Most of the stings are non-venomous and causes immediate sharp local pain followed by edema, ecchymosis and burning sensation. Symptoms typically resolve within few hours and skin does not affect it much. Allergic reaction to the venom sometimes may develop. Okay, now let's talk about the presentation if there is envenomation. In early stage where cholinergic crisis seen, okay, the patient will presented with salivation, sweating, priapisma, bradycardia and hypotension. In late stage, there is adrenergic crisis, causes massive release of endogenous catecholamines, causes tachycardia, hypertensive crisis, arrhythmias, pulmonary edema, myocardial damage and heart failure. For the management purpose, if the sting is dry, like only pain is there, we can say dry sting. Then we treat symptomatically, like we can give lignocaine infiltration if the pain is very severe, otherwise we can use NSAIDs. If the patient is presented with sign of envenomation, anti-scorpion venom or serum is available. We can give IV administration of ASV which rapidly reverse cranial nerve dysfunction and muscular symptoms. But for other symptoms like hypertension, pulmonary edema, we need symptomatic treatment. Like pulmonary edema will respond to nifedipine, hydralazine or prazosin. And the dangerous bradycardia can be controlled by atropine. Okay, that is all about the scorpion sting.